Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to discuss about one particular great opportunity which is in the form of a in apparel based stock. So we'll discuss the sector also in which this company operates. We'll discuss the business of the stock. We'll discuss the fundamentals of the company and we'll address one elephant in the room, basically the controversy that happened for this company. And we'll go to technical discussion also where we'll see the target in the midterm and long term if there is the stock is good enough for the long term also or not. So we'll discuss everything one by one. So I'll request you to watch the entire video so that you can take the decision. And second thing is that if you find the content valuable at any point in time, do like the video. This will help me to reach out to more and more people. So let's start the discussion first. So we'll see the sector. So sector is innerwear sector, right? So we'll discuss in brief. So this particular company operates in the innerwear sector itself. So innerwear sector is 32,000 crores and 9% of Indian fashion retail market. So basically out of all the fashion retail, 9% market share for innerwear comprising of all the brands, not only for this particular brand. And this particular growth is going to happen at 12% CAGR, which will eventually reach 68,400 crores by 2024. So this is the kind of growth we're looking for, and there are multiple factors behind why this growth is happening. So one of the factors is increasing disposable income and brand awareness. So the more so this is mostly innerwear is a unorganized sector. So still around 80%, 70 to 80% market is still unorganized, unbranded markets. But slowly with increase in disposable income, basically people are per capita income is increasing. So the awareness of brand is also increasing. Then mobile penetration, internet penetration. So when the sector, any sector gets more organized, kind of organized, you see the brand's awareness starts increasing in those sectors. So this is also one that sector because of disposable income, brand awareness, people are moving towards premium based or mid premium based products. So previously earlier lingeries or briefs, those things were kind of a necessity needs, but now those things have become wants. People want to explore their inner ways. People want to go from different segments in the innerwear, from economy segment to mid premium based on whatever they can afford. So this is the reason why this entire segment is growing. If the growth driver, if you see, women innerwear comprise 67% share of the growth. So whatever growth is happening in the market, that growth, 67% of the growth is comprised of the women. Innerwear is tagged as a fashion and leisure statement. So this is what I told you previously. Innerwear used to be in a sector where it was a need, but slowly it's becoming a want. So people are becoming more fashion conscious. Athleisure has come into a segment where people go to gym, people have a lifestyle, people want to wear even that is malls. There are a lot of people who will wear gym t-shirts also, or kind of which both is the leisure segment and both are in the athletic segment. So it's a mixture of both segments. The t-shirts have quite good fittings, the quality is very good, and this segment is also slowly picking up in India. They used to be major brands like Nike, Jockey, and Reebok, Adidas on the segment, but slowly other companies are also putting focus in this particular segment and creating products for the market. Growth of working population is also one more point to add. So more and more people are working. Athleisure, I told athleisure segment is a new age lifestyle, and a lot of things are happening in this segment. So you need to explore Myntra and explore Flipkart. If you haven't so far, you will see this segment. A lot of brands has come. This segment has a lot of products in this particular segment. Pyramid shift is happening from economy to mid premium. This is a very important factor. This is the byproduct of extra disposable income. So that means the people who are buying economy vest products, suppose they were buying one vest which was economic. Now the same person, since the increase of disposable income, they are moving into mid premium segment. And the people who are into mid premium, if their disposable income has increased, they have moved to premium segment. So it's a pyramid shift which is happening from the economic perspective. So these are the few growth drivers for this sector. So I hope the sector part is clear, like why the reason this sector is growing overall. So when a sector grows basically, so the companies which are leader in the segment, they grows. So right now the leader in this segment is Page Industries, Lux Industries, and these companies are there which are prime player in the segment, out of which Page is the leader, but Lux Industries is also catching up with Page. So Page Industries are the company behind the brand Jockey, and Jockey is in the premium segment in India. Lux Industries is slowly introducing both mid premium and premium based products in their segment. So it's a 25-year-old company with 14% market share right now in India. They have more than 100 products across various segments. They have more than 16 brands to cater all the needs, all the age groups, kids, women's, men's, and they have very good influencer ambassadors also. Karthik Aryan, Varun Dhawan, Kriti Sanan. So they are the brand ambassadors for this particular company. Virat Kohli is also one of the brand ambassadors for this company. They have a huge distribution channel, 950 plus distributors, and 5 lakh plus retails they have. So this exposure helps them to move the fill rate. Fill rate is the kind of inventory was the maintain it each of the retailers. The fill rate for this company is 95% compared to market standard of 80%. So this gives them a bigger exposure compared to their competition. When it comes to their strength, they can produce 20 crore pieces with 6 manufacturing units, and all these units are three states: Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. So their industries are placed in such a way that they can cater any different segment part of India. Basically, the industries in Punjab cater to the North India, industries in your West Bengal cater to the North and East India, sorry, Northeast and East India, and their factory in Tamil Nadu is there to capture the South India, and they together cover some part of west also. They use latest machinery for optimum production. So this company focus a lot on technology. They import machineries from US, Germany, so that the production can be optimized and maximum they can optimize their capacity. They are diversifying into premium segment also of socks, slipper, innerwear, and they have a brand they are launching. So that brand is called 18, which is I'm like which a brand ambassador is Virat Kohli. Sports. So basically 90% plus revenue comes from domestic sales, and 10% more than 10%, around 10% comes from exports. And one is, some people are saying this is a negative point, but I personally think if you are moving from economy section to a premium and mid premium segment, in that case you have to do a lot of branding. So this company spends 8% of the revenue on branding. That's a huge sum of money. So that's why some analysts say it's a negative point of Lux Industries. But I personally think this is a positive, because once the brand is created, slowly they will reduce that spend on the revenue, and eventually the revenue will increase because they are moving into a segment. And the more you spend on the premium segment and mid-premium segment, the margins are more compared to economy segment. For any brand, you can look for any company which deals in the economy section, their marginally contracted, and the people who are companies who are dealing in the premium and premium segment, their margins are normally comparatively more. So this is how the business of the company looks like. Now in the fundamentals, so fundamentally company has a PE of 20.2, where current P is 20.2, where 5 years median P, if you see, is 31.6. So we have a 50% P expansion option present here. That means the price can go up to 50% from here. This is what P expansion means basically. It doesn't refer exactly this, but this is something which you can refer very clearly. ROC is 36.4, ROE is 31.2. Profit growth for this company has been 40% CAGR for last 5 years. That means this company has grown 40% every year for last 5 years. In terms of the stock price has increased 29% every year for last 5 years. That's a CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. Promoter holding is as high as possible, 74%. 75% is the cap. This company is at 74%. That means all the major stocks are there with the promoter only, and this company is virtually debt free. They have some debt, but the net profit what this company generates, that is bigger, like larger than the debt. So this company becomes virtually debt free. And good point is LIC is one of the investors. They recently like 3-4 quarters back, they became investors in Lux, and this is a good point. Like when a company like LIC invest in your company, that means there is a good belief in the growth of the company. Sales wise numbers, if you see, this company has been doing consistent growth. 1000 crores in 2018, 1220 crores in 2019, 1670 crores in 2020, and 2021 they have 1960 crores. Same goes for profit also, 0.08 thousand crores to 0.1 thousand crores, like 100 crores, 180 crores, 270 crores. So this company is consistently increasing their profits and revenues and everything. So everything from the company looks great. From promoter holding perspective, I told you the promoter has been increasing their holding. So it was in September 2020 69.51%, and now it's 73.95%. So they increased their holding for almost more than 4%, 4.5%. What happened here? So retail investors started selling, and these whatever retail investors sold, they are consumed by either promoters or DIIs. So this is how it looks like. So the people who are running the company and people who are institutional investors, they have faith in the company. They consumed all the shares from the retail investors, and retail investor only left out the 15.5%, out of which around 4% is there with someone very strong hand. So in the real retail, if you see, only around 11% stock is there. So it's a kind of promoter focused company. Now let's jump to the insider trading issue. So this company had a news of insider trading. There were 40 members were involved in insider trading, and the prime suspect of that was Udit Todi, who is the son of the promoter of the company. I forgot his name. They violated the SEBI Act. They were in possession of UPSI. So UPSI means unpublished sensitive information. So before the publish of results, the people who are in the board, they know some information, how much profit gonna happen, how much stock price might move because of profit and everything. So that information has been shared by Udit Todi, and slowly it become public to 14 members, because of which they bought the stock because they know the price will increase, and they eventually they will sell, so they will sell to make the profit. So this, they got caught in all the investigation by SEBI, and a penalty has been put on these people. So members are barred from trading in securities until notice. As of now, they are barred from trading in securities in any form. And the profits from insider trading, whatever these people made, are being recuperated by SEBI. So basically, SEBI told them to create an escrow account where money can only, all the profits will be deposited, but they cannot withdraw the money from their account, that escrow account, without the permission of SEBI. So this is what happened after the insider trading. So I'll leave a link of the report of the entire insider trading in the description. You can go through. It's a huge, it's a very long report. You can go through and read the entire report if you are interested in that part. But this is overall what happened in the insider trading part. Now this is the technical analysis. So this chart I have placed over here. I'll go to the trading view and I'll do the analysis again for you so that you can understand how this analysis has been done. So this is the chart which I pasted over there. I'll remove the drawings and I'll show you. I'll draw it again. It's very simple actually. Basically, see, this is the point which I was thinking that it's kind of very good point to buy, but unfortunately or fortunately the stock didn't fall till here, and it was continuously falling from here after the insider trading news broke out, and it fell almost 40% in here, and the stock is again moving, started moving up from here. So I personally have considered this as a base, because since the stock quality is very good, fundamentals are very good, it's in a sector which is very fast growing. So this can be a base because all the negative news, all the news has been handled. The stock has corrected a lot because there is nothing wrong that is happening in terms of business. Fundamentally, stock is good. Profits they are doing every year. So there is no reason that stock should correct by 40%. So this happened because of news, and that has been factored. So this is a base for me. Current price, if you see current price right now, the stock is today it's falling when I'm creating the video. So this is the price what the currently the stock is. So from this point, if you see, there are two targets. First target is this, like I'm saying, it's a midterm target. Second midterm target is the all-time high, because since nothing is wrong in the stock, this has to go here. There's no other option. This has to go here today or tomorrow. If you see the kind of profit which can generate from the current price, this can go up to 60% in the first target, the midterm, and it can go up to close to nearly 87% in around midterm only, but little longer than the 60% thing. So target 1 is 60.93%, target 2 is 86.72%. Even it takes 2 years for me, 1.5 to 2 years for me to reach 86.72%. I'm quite okay with it. This is a very good stock. So I personally might go for long term also in this stock, but if you're a swing trader, this is a very good opportunity for you to invest in this stock at this point in time also. So this was my analysis, my understanding, my opinion on the stock. If you think it's helpful, do like the videos. Give a comments, feedback in the comment section. Share with your friends and family if you haven't done so far. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.